Welcome back, Year 8s. I'm Miss Ward, and today we're going to be learning about safe, ethical and responsible use of ICT. The learning outcomes for today. By the end of the class, we should be able to understand how to safely use technology in an ethical and respectful manner. This should mean understanding what ICT is and its purpose, and applying ethical, safe and respectful practices when we use our technology. Content for the class. What is ICT? Cyber safety, ethical use of internet and technology, and lastly, respectful use of digital platforms. What is ICT? ICT stands for Information, Communication and Technology. It can be defined as the interrelated devices and technologies we use to communicate with each other. In our generation, we are lucky enough to have communication and discovery that is almost instant. We can use ICT devices to create, discover, communicate, and generate new ideas and understandings. Some of these devices can include computers, phones, radios, or TVs. We can also use ICT in an educational setting that helps us create effective problem solving, research, and communication skills. Cyber safety. It's important that when we're using the internet, we're acting in a safe manner that protects ourselves and others. This means making sure our details stay private to us, to reduce the chance of hacking or scamming. There are multiple issues that can arise from this. They include cyberbullying, clickbait or misleading information, scammers or viruses, privacy or screening threats, and cyber stranger awareness. It's important that if we ever feel unsafe or unsure online, that we ask an adult for their help. Ethical use of internet and technology. What is ethical use of the internet? It can be broken down into three categories. Values. Ethics heavily relates to the values that we have as people, which means what do we think is kind and helpful to someone? And then, everything we say matters. Make sure we think before we post. We can use this following acronym to help us with this decision. Lastly, make sure we create a positive and safe environment online where everyone is welcome to create and generate any idea they'd like. This is the THINK acronym. We can use this when deciding on what to post or what we communicate to someone. Let's think. Is it true, helpful, inspiring, necessary, or kind? Respectful use of online platforms. How can I use the internet respectfully? We can break this down into three categories. Think before you post, and then ask yourself these three following questions. Do I use the internet safely, and do I know how to? What does my digital footprint look like? And can I happily seek advice from an adult if I ever need help? What's next? Make sure we answer the questions following the video and read the article as well as answering questions. Complete the table for the smart poster and then watch the videos and complete the crossword. And then we'll finish off the class with a bang with Miss Ward's ICT quiz. Thanks for watching, guys.